Yeah.
Well,
chilly this morning.
Yeah, it was a little nippy.
It was nice.
Yeah, you know, Orlando International is kind of one of these quirky places on the map because it was considerably colder than all the other surrounding sites, but it's a well-calibrated instrument, so it just got cold at the airport.
There's no urban heating or whatever you call it,
That's right, yeah, where it's kind of out in the middle of a grassy area near the airport. 38 degrees there, but we had 46 in downtown, so an 8-degree difference just based on kind of your locale toward kind of these more urban areas where it kind of holds the heat in with concrete. It was very cold rural areas, so I had 32 up in Apopka this morning, 36 at Villages, 32 and the first freeze of the season up in Ocala. Usually we have to wait till December to get our first freeze up in Marion County. So cool so early. The last time we were 38 degrees or colder this early in the fall was back in 1993. So it does happen, but it's unusual for us to be this cold this early. It's not going to be sticking around very long, though. Still cool tonight. We have 60s across the map. It's going to be another bundle-up evening here, but it's still going to be on the dry side, though. It's still very, very low humidity. It lets these temperatures drop quickly. We're already in the 60s up north. Deltona for tonight, back down into the lower 40s by 10 p.m. So a quick drop in temperatures. Our western zones is where we'll see the coldest weather, even some 30s northwest of Mount Dora, through most of Marion County, in fact, 34, 35. So patchy frost possible, mainly on your rooftops and car hoods. Lows tonight, mid-40s. But again, we'll keep an eye on Orlando's temperature. It was real sneaky today. It dropped like a rock around daybreak. So we could end up, say, close to 43, 44. Either way, not quite as cold. Highs tomorrow back in the 70s area-wide. Lots of dry air showing up very well in our water vapor loop. So hard to find much rainfall, but we did find another tropical storm. Say hello to Otto down in the southern Caribbean. The forecast model has been showing this developing now for over a week, and it finally did. Could become a hurricane before moving back over Central America, Costa Rica, Nicaragua, and then getting into the Pacific. We don't think it'll be an organized tropical system when it does get in the Pacific. If it were, it would take on a Pacific name, but we don't think that's going to happen. But for us, Thanksgiving, milder. We're back in the 70s and 80s. Just like that, nature's got to be saying, what's going on with this temperature pattern? 5-day forecast. The weekend always in view. Nice 76 tomorrow. We're back up to 80 for our turkey doing the chicken dance on Thursday afternoon. Friday looks nice for Black Friday. No weather concerns here locally if you're traveling, but again, the dryness creating a high fire threat for us. And dry to start, our fire threat increasing. Coming up live at 5:45, more on just how much rainfall we need to get caught back up with this fire situation. Martha?
Do you live in one of Central Florida's safest neighborhoods?